Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you're doing great. Welcome back to our English class. In today's lesson, we're going to learn about countries and nationalities. This is very useful when talking about where people come from. First, listen carefully to the audio and repeat after each word. You'll hear the names of different countries and their corresponding nationalities. Ready? Let's get started.
United States of America,
American,
Canada,
Canadian,
Mexico,
Mexican,
Brazil,
Brazilian,
Argentina,
Argentinian,
United Kingdom,
British,
France,
French,
Russia,
Russian,
Spain,
Spanish,
Portugal,
Portuguese,
Poland,
Polish,
Greece,
Greek,
Turkey,
Turkish,
Egypt,
Egyptian,
China,
Chinese,
Japan,
Japanese,
India,
Indian,
Pakistan,
Pakistani,
Mongolia,
Mongolian,
Australia,
Australian,
Germany,
German,
Switzerland,
Swiss,
Austria.
Austrian.
Great job, everyone. Now you know how to say different countries and their nationalities in English. Keep practicing and try to use them when you talk about people from around the world. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more English videos. See you in the next class.